I would like to welcome you all to another project series, the Project Type R. I use this car as my daily, but now we would like to take this car to the next level by building it to be a show/track car. It is mostly stock except for the HKS Spec L exhaust on the back and Yokohama Advan GTs paired with Yokohama Advan Neova AD08Rs. As you can see from the title of this video, we are replacing the old tires with some brand new Yokohama Advan Neova AD09s. So I'll stop talking and let's get on with the install. Let's go! So I just want to point out that the biggest difference between the two are the tread lines. The AD09s, in my opinion, look a little less aggressive as compared to the AD08Rs. I think this is because they want to improve the performance of the AD09s during wet conditions. So if you want to read more about the AD09s, you can check on the description box below to learn more about it. But so far, I still love it. Install na natin yung mga